Morning peeps.
We are going to Kawasan Waterfall today. So this is something that we've had planned for a long time. We were looking forward to it for the whole time we were going to the Philippines, and I think we're going to do it for 2 days. We're going to go and do our own thing today. So we've got our bikes, we're ready for an adventure, and I think we're going to hit up a few places all the way down the whole south side of the island. So we've got Kawasan, tumalog and Lombok Beach.
Yeah,
I
Lombok.
think.
Yeah.
So a bit of a nightmare, aren't we? So came to Cebu with no money. Well, we had money on us obviously, but we didn't withdraw before we got out of Cebu City. So yesterday we were walking around for ages trying to find somewhere to withdraw money. Didn't happen. So we were like, oh, we'll just go in the daytime when it's, everywhere opens. No, couldn't find anywhere today either. So we had to borrow 1,000 off Craig and Amy. Still can't find anywhere to withdraw any money whatsoever. So at the moment we're in debt and we're skint. So we got 300 to last us for the day until we find somewhere. And with us being like on a road trip, it's a bit nerve-wracking. However, we've just arrived to the walkway part of the waterfall. Weather isn't looking fabulous. We've had amazing weather the whole time that we've been in the Philippines. Craig and Amy have had rain quite a lot. And today we have a grey sky. That song, Always Take the Weather With You, I think they took it a little bit too literally.
So we had to pay 40 pesos each per person.
Tried to get our game face on, didn't we, and say that we've been here before and it was only 10 pesos, but apparently 2015 it went up, apparently.
So we weren't having none of it. So 40 pesos each. Make sure you do not pay any more than that. Sometimes I've heard about people paying 250 a person and stuff.
Yeah, but also you never know, it might have gone up in 2017 by the time you get here.
Yeah.
What's your first impressions, Aim?
Really nice.
Looking sick, innit?
I can't wait to get in. I mean, it's not that sunny, but it's still hot. And it's a bit of a walk to get down here, so I can't wait to go for a swim.
Guy's like, come on, I'll give you a table, He wants 300 pesos so that we can leave our bag and go in the water. We'll leave it for free over there, thanks.
What do you reckon about the 300 pesos for a table?
Joke, I know they're going to make money in that, but it's like, you pay to get in, so you pay to sit on a chair. Like, is that do you want a water massage? That sounds good.
We've already spent $1,000 and we've been here like 2 seconds. We haven't even sat down yet.
Waterfall's beautiful. Waterfall's cold. I jumped in, I was like, right, I'm going to dive. And then I thought, hang on a minute, I'm with someone who broke their neck. So maybe that's not a great idea. Let's see how deep it is first. And then I stepped in and my toes hit the floor, so I'm glad I didn't dive, or it would have been ended in a very different way today. However, it's a bit chilly when you get out. Water's freezing, but it's refreshing. It's not like ice cold.
So I think it's fair to say this waterfall is just thumbnail goals galore. Look at that. Thumbnail goals. So I just took a long exposure of Craig and Amy. Oh my god, it come off amazing. I'm so excited, I started jumping around going yes, 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 yes. damn sick here. Wicked, really nice waterfall and stuff. But the only downside is them bloody umbrellas, all like packed around the side of the waterfall, so it kind of ruins the whole pool area because you've got hotels behind. Whoop. All at hotels and lodges behind, and it kind of
Takes it away from what it is.
yeah, kind of. Look at this. Got all that there, and then there. It's just a bit meh.
I took my shoes off to go in the water, and one of the ladies who live in the restaurant, I came to put them back on to move because they were telling us we had to move our stuff. And I came back, she was like, "Oh, great shoes," and I was like, "Yeah, they're good, aren't they?" She was like, "Where did you buy them from?" And I was like, "Oh, I got them in Thailand." She went, "Can I buy them from you?" And I was like, "No."
It's always the same when you turn up to these places. It's the same in the spot in Vietnam. It's just like lush waterfalls, and you see pictures of it, and you're like, "That looks amazing." You get there, it's like 100 umbrellas, people trying to rip you off and sell you like a bag of Wheatos.
What about you, Coach?
It wasn't as big as I thought it was going to be, so I thought that the actual water underneath the waterfall, like the pool, would be a lot bigger. But it was still nice. It was just ruined by all of the people who were there telling you off for breathing too loud and stuff.
Aim?
Yeah, same.
Aim's just like, yeah.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, that.
Back in our bikes, and this is road trip part 2.
So we've just arrived in Mainit Springs, and 10 pesos it was to park the bike.
Okay.
There's no other bikes there other than locals, so it doesn't look like there's going to be many people here, if any.
Yeah, I think this is a good find. When we were at Kawasan, we paid 40 to get in, and Amy and Craig left the GoPro on their bike, so Amy had to go back and get it. On her way back in, 2 Chinese girls got charged 1,000 pesos each to get into Kawasan Falls. We got told by a local this morning that it was 10 pesos each, but they were having none of it. We were like, yeah, been here before, like I said. But when we got here, there's literally no one, so I think this might be a magical little find. We're hoping anyway.
It's like proper deep in like a little village type place, so everyone's so friendly out here though. Even when we was driving up, all the kids were like, "Oh my god, hello." People, like even the adults were like jumping about, dancing and stuff because they was like see us come driving through their village and stuff. It's like they just love to see new people come through like their place where they live. It's just unreal, and the drive up here is fantastic as well. It's all along the coast, so it's just, if the weather's really sunny and hot, it's a perfect drive.
Didn't realise they were hot springs, did we? So there's 3 little pools, they're not very big. There's not very many people here, most of them are locals, apart from about 2. So we've got in the biggest pool with the only 2 other like foreign people here. And we're just gonna chill out for a bit, I think, because it's been a bit windy on the way down. So we're hoping this heats us all up. Nice little chill out. Then we'll be ready to carry on.
How cool and unexpected was that? Didn't expect it to be like that at all. I thought maybe the pools might be like cool or quite cold. Didn't know it would be a hot spring. But we're just gonna leave now and head on down to Tumalog Falls. What? What's a dog? Head on down to Tumalog Falls with the crew. What do you reckon, crew?
It was good, really good.
Good stuff.
Top hot springing.
Top hot springing. Wow.
They'd object if I nicked an honour.
I was sweating a little bit. I always do.
nervous?
I was always nervous. But that guy, I lost it at one point. The guy was like, "It's over there." So found it. Good flight.
Winning. This is what happens when you run out of petrol in the middle of nowhere. You end up having to siphon petrol, and Craig's getting a mouthful of petrol and he's loving it, I think.
Pink colour. Pretend it's like Gatorade or
Get it right in there.
Is this dangerous? It could be.
Craig, you ever done this before?
Oh yeah, of course I have, mate. I'm Barry. This is how I get my petrol.
So when you're watching all them vlogs and people are finding all these amazing waterfalls, this is the truth. This is what happens when you're watching them videos. People siphoning petrol, getting stuck in the middle of nowhere. This is real backpacking right now.
Ella. Filipinos and Amy and Craig saved the day, absolute heroes, went and found someone who was selling petrol, bought all the petrol, sent him to us. We just tipped the guy just for being an absolute ledge. So now, here's the crew. It's still like 5 o'clock, it's quite late, so we're kind of racing against time now, so we're just going to head to the waterfall to try and see what we can see of it. Here's our heroes.
They deserve medals. Medals, I say.
Saved the day. Absolutely saved the day. Never even got to see the waterfall, did we? Because
Well,
why not?
technically we did.
Why not?
Because you ran out of petrol. That's why.
Oh, we flew the drone that way instead. So we are on our way to Oslo now, yeah?
No.
Checkpoint is
If
Oslo.
we go to Oslo, that puts about another hour and a half, or if not more, on
We're
our
going to
journey.
Oslo.
Straight for the jungle, I reckon.
We're heading to
Yeah?
the jungle.
What, back the way we came?
Yeah, we're going for it. How many burgers we got?
6. It took just over 2 hours, about 2.5 hours, to get from Oslo all the way back up to Mobile. And it was cold because it's been a bit grey today, and it was on and off raining, and we were just like bombing it trying to get back because it was dark. It was like pitch black dark, and all of us got off the bikes at the end and were in bits, and Craig and Amy have gone back to the room to cook their noodles that they bought, and we just was like, just give me some burgers to the man next door. So we just got 6 of these bad boys. I'm dead, honestly. Every single part of my whole entire body aches. We've been up since 5 o'clock this morning, and it's like 9 o'clock.
It's the simple things in life. You forget they'll pass you